Deal Surgeons, Elite Masterminds, what's going on? This is Diamond Life. This is me doing a price prediction for Bitcoin. This is the video of me doing it before it happened. So let's see what happened. I believe it seemed like it probably will continue to keep going up because we have an order block that it never came back to up here. Okay. And I'm about to explain something else where I think price will continue to go up probably for the rest of the month, even though based on my research it's due to go lower. Okay, it's due to go lower. But so when I re-record this video and you see that price is going higher, I just told you that I see price going higher, but I'm not going to hold for that at the moment. I'm just going to hold for price coming up to here. Okay, so you just heard it. Okay, so price, now I'm about to show you what price is right now. You just heard me say it. I said I'm holding for price to come up to here, even though it can come up higher. So let's see what's going on. Let's see if I'm right or wrong. I mean, people better stop playing with me out here. Now, when I shot the video, price was right here, the three candles in a row. Actually, no, price was here. Okay. And so now price is up here where I said it was going to go. Now it's pushing back down and I understand what it's doing. But price came up here into this mitigation block on a 1 hour chart. You see that? Let me minimize the screen for you. When I shot the video, price was here. Okay, I know you probably don't believe me, probably think I'm making it up. When I shot the video, price was here. Okay, this is a low. You see that? That's exactly where we are here on the chart. Price was here. And so I said it was coming up here, even though I believe it's going higher. I only bet on sure things. Okay. So it went up there. So that's a price prediction with Bitcoin before and after it happened. Now, right now, price may actually end up coming back down to this order block down here because we have an order block. We have an opening price down here, 2 opening prices on the weekly chart that price never came back to. So it probably came up into this bearish mitigation block zone just to come down here. I would love for price to come down here, because I want to be a buyer because I believe price is going higher. Because remember, we have a mitigation block up here and we have a breaker up here that has not been hit yet, even though price is due to go lower. And so I actually missed this move right here. Price took off at like 4 o'clock in the morning. I was asleep, obviously, but this move right here, I missed this move right here to catch it right up into this mitigation block. I was going to get out at consequent encroachment of this bearish mitigation block on a 1 hour chart, but I missed it. But I actually was about to get in long. I'm glad I didn't. I would have got killed. Look at that. So this is price prediction before and after it happened. Now with Bitcoin, for the person I'm actually shooting this video for in the signals group, I see price coming down here, maybe to retest this 4 hour zone, because sometimes it'll break these zones, retest it and go higher. Like you see right here, I think it already did it right here. Yeah, it broke this zone. It went down, retested, and then went higher. So I'm been a little skeptical about these order blocks right here. Price never came back down to it. It left these order blocks, but it came back down to retest it going up, but it didn't retest it going down. So price, if it comes down here and then takes off to go higher, oh man, I would love to be a buyer down here just for it to go higher. So I told you to get in for buys. So, I mean, if you're doing it on demo, I would just go ahead and get in for a buy, put it on low leverage, maybe to 0.5. But I see price going higher, okay? I see price going higher, especially when it went below this line right here. Okay, this is something I call red block box, blue box, and green box, okay? And I'll explain that to you at a later date. So, yeah, so this is the price prediction for Bitcoin before and after it happened. And this is my scalping. This is red box, blue box, green box scalping, which I'll explain at a later date. And this is a 4 hour bullish order block as well. So price could come back down here as well. And I was always skeptical of that. That's why I kind of missed that move, that big push out, because I was like, well, I was thinking maybe price would come back down here and then go higher, but it just hit a bearish mitigation block. So it might come down here into these order blocks to pick up more longs and to go even higher. And that's why I think price is going higher. So I'm not doing a prediction on that yet. I just a guess, but when I actually make a real prediction, I do it in video form, which I just did here. So, all right, thanks for, hold on, let me play the rest of this video. What was I saying in this video? The low resistance liquidity run. Let's take a look at this candle right here. I just showed you on the weekly chart. We had nothing but red candles. We went to the daily, nothing but red candles. Now we're on 4 hour, nothing but red candles. I don't see any white candles in here. So this is a low resistance liquidity run. Now, if you would try to get in here, this was a false run right here because the lows did not get taken out yet. Okay, this is a low resistance. So this is a low resistance liquidity run. So I was saying that I believe price was going to come up higher to this bearish mitigation block, which is the lowest down closed candle. You see that closed candle right there? I was trying to zoom in, but so that candle right there, this is a mitigation block. This is the area where price will reverse off of. This is the area that price wants to come back to. This is ICT's teachings. So, I mean, that's how we can predict price. You'd be wondering, like, how the fuck is he doing this shit? It's because of ICT and his teachings. So other people can't predict where the market is going to go. That's why they tell you, just react to the market. Just react to it. Well, you still can make money reacting to the market, but to actually know where it's going and to be a little confident about it or cocky with some people, then that's a whole nother world. It's a whole nother planet and universe, actually. Thanks for watching.